I wonder how many of you trade in the crude oil markets. There are people who love the crude oil market. It's very fast. It's a kind of a slippery, quick market. And that market has a forecast that is based on the square principle. And there are some guidelines to that forecast that I want to give you. One of them is that if the crude oil market closes this week and any individual day, as long as it's closing above $94.50, and this is in the May contract, $94.50, as long as it's closing above $94.50, it'll advance to $105 to $106 into next week. That's the crude oil market. Let me put up the crude oil market for you right now so you can take a look at it with me. So here is crude, and you can see that already today, this forecast, which was already made, is already beginning to move. The market is now up at $100.72. And all we're saying is, as long as it stays above $94.50, and let me show you where that level is. I'm going to spread this out a little bit so you can really just see this nice and clear. Let me see if I can find 94.50 for you. It's roughly, if you look over on the right-hand scale where the prices are, it's roughly about here. As long as the market stays above 94.50, then the market's going to move up to $105 to $106, which is up here. Now that doesn't seem like that big of a move, but it's $5,000 from even where we are now, as opposed per contract, as opposed to where we were on Friday, because we made this forecast, on yesterday, April 11th, because we made this forecast then as well. We actually made it last week, but we also made it yesterday. So the market was trading and yesterday closed at 95.18. So anybody who takes advantage of this forecast was already today, the market's already moving up and completed a portion of the move up by running from yesterday's close of 95.18 up till today's high of $101.35. So you're in pretty good shape if you started with this. That's the square principle forecast into the week, into next week. It could get completed this week. We only have 2 days left for this week, but it could get completed this week. And I hope you'll get a chance to see that.